god. Oh my gosh, I've been craving this pasta. Oh yeah, we need some spaghetti too. Yes, I've been eating these coffees. Vanilla caramel. Ooh. You know what? I've been.
What do you think you're doing? Run.
Let's see. This cereal. Some vanilla. Okay, ready to go?
That's it?
Yeah, let's go. I would just like to start off this vlog by saying I feel like ass. Clearly. Today is one of those days where I do not want to do anything. Like even moving is painful. I have the worst cramps ever. But other than that, we are going grocery shopping today. One of my subscribers commented because in the last vlog of us together, we were talking about how he actually taught me how to grocery shop because he's a restaurant owner. He knows a lot about that stuff, how to save budget wise and like where to go and what to pick and all these things. The number one thing is have a list of what you want to get grocery wise for the week. So here is my little grocery list. Okay, and I used to be the type of person who just like went in and went aisle to aisle and ended up buying unnecessary things.
The first time we went grocery shopping, you went through every single aisle.
Yeah. So that ends up obviously making you pay more than you should have because you're gonna be like, this looks good, this looks good. Oh, I want this. Oh, I've been craving this, you know? So plan out what you're gonna eat for the week. Not only is it gonna like keep you in your fitness goals and not have you snack on a bunch of crap, but it's also gonna save you budget wise. And the biggest thing for me is I used to throw away a lot of food because I would just get a bunch of stuff and then like not even eat it throughout the week and then it would go bad. So that's the biggest takeaway for me is like I'm planning out my meals so I don't end up throwing any food away, you know?
Even with the list, we always purchase more than what we need.
Yeah.
Like what I got last week, I didn't even finish it. I would shop for like 4 or 5 days worth instead of 7. You'll always have leftovers.
The next 2 things I'm going to talk about might cause a little controversy. I honestly need to research it on my own. So buying things that are organic versus non-organic.
Organic has less pesticides and fertilizer, but it still has pesticides and fertilizer because there's cross contamination. So there's really no difference at all. I mean, a little bit, but like there's no major difference for you to pay the difference. Until we have a little garden at our house. True organic is picking it off the tree yourself, out of the garden, unless you fertilized it. Sorry, I'm like making faces because my camera's about to fall. And that's another thing that definitely brings your grocery budget higher is if you end up getting things that are organic. My mom, for example, only gets organic, but after I moved out, I haven't been getting organic. Who knows? Personally, I need to do my research, but the restaurant owner here is saying it's all, you know, it's like the same pretty much. The third thing is that makes a difference is where you grocery shop at. So if you're gonna grocery shop at Whole Foods, it's gonna be more than if you grocery shop at Ralph's or at Smith's. I would just find an international market in your city because they always have the best foods, unique foods, and firsthand. International markets are actually the cheapest for grocery shopping, and you just have to pick and choose what to get from there. For example, like we went grocery shopping there last week, and you guys, it was literally half the price of our usual grocery run. So if you're looking to save budget wise on groceries for the long run, going to an international market is going to be your best bet. And then obviously whatever you don't find in that international market, you can go to like a Ralph's or a Smith. The convenient thing with us is the Ralph's and the international market are literally in the same parking lot, so we're not even like driving to 2 different places. But yeah, we're gonna go in there and do a little grocery haul, and we're gonna show y'all what we end up getting. So let's get it poppin'. That was ghetto.
I have 5 different personalities, baby. Another thing about writing a grocery list is it saves you so much time. You can be in and out in like 30 minutes.
You should not spend more than like 20-30 minutes inside of a store. And you should not be going more than once a week.
Wise words from Hussein Bays. I did a little cardio sesh today. That's literally all I could do today because of how I'm feeling. So 10-minute walk on the treadmill, 20-minute indoor cycle, literally at level 1. and that's all I could do. That was not fun on its own. For this week, we are making some turkey stuffed bell peppers. We are making some shrimp lettuce wraps.
Just make like a turkey bologna sandwich with mayonnaise, parsley, tomatoes, lettuce, and pickles. Sounds pretty good.
Yeah. I just like a lot of variety in my meals because I get very bored. So I can't have the same thing every week or I'm gonna end up just eating out, you know? So I like to change it up every week. What is that?
Yeah, I got this when we first met. Like the first
That was like a year and a half ago.
Yeah. For cuffs. Matching cuffs.
What the heck?
The exact latitude and longitude that we met. And it says DC and there's a heart and HB.
Baby, you're joking. How did you forget to give this to me till now?
I got you rose gold because I know you like rose gold.
You're so cute. You guys, this is so freaking cute. Wait, when were you gonna give this to me?
Back then, but I don't know how I got lost.
When we first met?
Yeah.
Damn, baby, it lasted a year and a half in here?
Well, yeah, it's metal. How's it gonna dissipate?
That's so cute, babies. Okay, let's put them on. Let's put them on.
Oh,
I can't believe you forgot. How did you just forget about this? It's so cute. Oh, put yours on. Put yours on. Oh, twinsies. So cute, baby. Thank you. These are good.
Mmm. Why do you choose that one? Who taught you that?
You. This is an example. Like this is $2.99. This is $3.99, but they're both tomato
it's the
sauce.
same. Like, look, Italian herb, fresh garlic, sweet basil, and whatever. It's not
like
a
the
major
same
difference.
Yeah, little things like that end up adding up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He taught me that. I'm acting like I already knew that. He taught
Yeah, it's like $1 a product. You get like 40 products. It's $40 over a month. It's like what, 160 bucks over a year. It's over $1,000. That's like a whole vacation. For what?
And I like vacation.
Like move your hand 5 inches more left. Okay, there you go. Take it that way. It's a whole vacation.
So oatmeal, Gatorade Zero, Coke Zero are like things you don't tend to find in the international market. So I always grab them from here. I like to get the lower calorie one.
That's what you got last time?
Yeah, the vanilla.
You're just gonna yell at me.
No. Don't do it.
This. And then you relax. If you're ever tired in a public area, you can relax and use each other's weight for support.
Okay, are we done?
If you have a weak partner, like Diana here, it won't last more than a couple minutes.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. You're so annoying.
At an American supermarket like this, if you zoom in, you'll see the per ounce cost 18 point. Oh, shit! Look at that. That's so crazy.
I think there's a ghost in here. This is the third time something randomly fell. There's a ghost.
Let's do it again. Put it down.
Put what down?
Look! I'm not even kidding. That's so weird. That's the fourth time this has happened. Watch it.
Okay, go
There's
ahead.
someone following us.
There's a ghost following us.
So if you zoom in, you'll see the 18.70 per ounce. Why would you go for something like another whole wheat one, which is like 20.8 per ounce? You go with the less one. It's the same type of product. Just go for it.
Interesting.
It's the same product, but it's cheaper.
You learn something new every day.
It's literally like 60 cents cheaper.
Wow. Alright, you guys, we are back home. I didn't vlog in the international market. We did go to Ralph's in the international market, but the thing you need to know about international markets is, at least in where I live, everyone is like on top of each other. They don't really know what personal space is, and it's just really hectic in there. So if you're looking for more of like a peaceful grocery shopping experience, you ain't gonna get that in there, okay? So I didn't vlog because there was just a lot going on, like people reaching over each other, and I'm like, you just can't do it. Today we have a variety of different fruits and vegetables. I truly don't know who I'm a fat ass and I'm trying to lose weight before my wedding. But this is only going to
Okay, Mrs. I just had 3 big bags of chips last night.
It was the night before. It's only gonna last about 2-3 days, and then I'm gonna go back to my old habits and then have a fat ass day. So anyways, pardon that rude interruption. Me and my sister sound the same. By the way, everyone says we sound the exact same. Like, I've answered the phone for her before and she's answered the phone for me before, and our friends and family didn't even notice the difference. Anywho, these groceries are for both Sin and I. We tend to go grocery shopping together. Obviously, we don't live together yet, so we each get our own stuff. But I like to sometimes meal prep for him because
What is this?
Sin got that, not me.
Are you a child?
He also got donuts.
What?
He ate
Donuts and you're trying to be healthy?
Not me. I didn't have any.
Where's the donuts at though?
He finished them. He had 8 donuts in one sitting. Okay, here's the thing. He's trying to gain weight. So his situation is different.
And what is that? Betlewa?
That's for Sin as well.
Damn. That's just
Is you done browsing? Are you shopping right now? Are you grocery shopping?
That's like all fatty food.
That's me. That's me. She's a vegetarian. You want to touch that?
Ew.
Okay, for real. Let me.
I gotta make my oatmeal.
Intermittent fasting, and I haven't had breakfast yet, so getting cranky over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got, and then like I said, Hussein got his own stuff, but the total, yes, I know you guys want to know the total. So this will last us about a week and a half, and the total for 2 people was around $170, which is what, $85 each for a week and a half worth of groceries. That's pretty good to me, okay? Because I used to spend like $150 to $200 on groceries before he showed me how to do it right. I do want to put these in the fridge. So I got 1 pound of ground turkey with some frozen shrimp. Okay, that's what's in this bag because we are making some turkey stuffed bell peppers, baby. We are making some shrimp lettuce wraps with this like peanut buttery sauce. Okay, we are making some tuna avocado salad. So those are some dishes for the week. This sauce is like part of my shrimp lettuce wrap recipe. Newman's own sesame ginger. I just watched a YouTube video and she said this is like really important to have in the sauce. So we got some chocolate chips for like my yogurt, my oatmeal, my protein pancakes, ibuprofen because your girl is, just ignore all this. She's making her food. Ibuprofen because your girl be, you know, going through it today. Like I said, the cramps are not it. Tomato sauce, we got strawberries, we got blueberries, carrots, cucumbers, avocado, some vegan fruit snacks, Gatorade Zero. I also got Coke Zero. If you don't know, Coke Zero, 0 calories, and it honestly tastes like just as good, if not better, than regular Coke. If you don't know, now you know. We got bananas, we got some cheddar cheese, cilantro, sourdough bread, bell peppers, hummus, oat milk. I'm gonna put all of this in the fridge and let's just wait till the thing is done. Okay, I'm just gonna put all of this in the fridge, and then I am gonna shoot a separate what I eat in a day video sometime this week of the meals that I got. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show you guys some dishes I make. But other than that, maybe I'll show you guys like a little meal prep situation that I do tonight. Sometimes I meal prep for a few days in advance. Sometimes I just meal prep for like a day or 2 in advance. It really just depends on my mood. Last week I meal prepped for 4 to 5 days in advance, but I really have to have a lot of energy for that because it literally takes me like 3 to 4 hours to do that. I don't know how people meal prep for a whole week in a matter of an hour. Kudos to you. because I just can't do it. Okay, it takes me several hours and I'm just like dead by the end of it. So for this week, we're gonna meal prep as we go. So if I'm making like the turkey stuffed bell peppers, that is good for 3 days. So the day I cook it and 2 days in advance. We're just gonna cook for like a day or two in advance. Like I always like to leave leftovers. That way I'm not cooking every single day, especially if I got a jam-packed day. Me. Kind of gross. It's kind of disgusting. This is not a fridge organization video. I'm just putting everything in the fridge, okay? So this is not supposed to be aesthetic. A couple hours and I'm about to make a quick lunch. So we're making a bean tahini sandwich. I already have a hard boiled egg left over from last week's meal prep. So I'm gonna have this and then we're gonna do a bean tahini sandwich. All you need is some black beans, crush them with a fork. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, just like, you know, make them a little softer with a fork. And then I added 2 tablespoons of tahini. I'm gonna add a full lime in there. Squeeze that in. The beans are also leftover beans from last week's meal prep. Then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, some cilantro, and mix it up. Perfect, we toasted some bread. I like them extra crunchy, so I toasted them a couple times. And then I also have some roasted onions and bell peppers from last week's meal prep that are left over. So we're just gonna add some of that on here. And voila, super quick, easy lunch packed with protein. Perfect for days like today where I really just don't feel like doing anything or cooking much. And I'm gonna have some left over for tomorrow's lunch that I can put on a sandwich really quick. Voila. Also, for calories sake, this dish is roughly around 400 calories. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna be doing a separate what I eat in a day video, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be showing you a bunch of dishes from the grocery haul that I did today. Hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. I'm gonna end this video right here and I will see you next week. Bye.